Playtex Genie Elite Pail System Diaper with Odor Lock by Playtex is one of the best baby diaper pail liners products. Bath size: 6'2x30x32 inches, 4-in-1 multifunction, combined breast milk warmer, formula heater, food heater and bottle sterilizer in one to simplify your life and save money and space. No need to buy 4 single-function products. Intelligent thermostat and anti-boil dry. Precisely keep the milk and water at the target temperature for 24 hours so that you can heat breast milk and milk powder quickly at any time you need. The baby bottle warmer also adopts the improved anti-dry design to prevent dry heating. Fine-tuning and even warming. Intuitive LED screen shows the real-time temperature for you to turn degree by degree. Via water bath and steam, the baby bottle warmer reserves all essences of food for your angel's health. Double bottle and universal sterilizer. Warming breast milk and water at once, the double bottle warmer with extra capacity fits different sized bottles. Even breast milk pumps, bags and other accessories can be sterilized with the manufacturer's all-round bottle warmer and sterilizer. One-click and customization, easy operation allows parents or grandparents to complete the feeding task with just one hand. Adjustable temperature for each of the 4 modes makes this double bottle warmer a fulfillment of your different needs.